Hi, my name is Shana Grover, and I'm the primary educator here at Sage Country Herbs. I've been teaching about herbal medicine and nutrition, botany, and ecology for 20 years. And by far, one of my favorite things about teaching is seeing light bulbs of inspiration go off in people's brains. And you can see it in their eyes. Nowadays, I see people do things like, oh, mind blown. And I love that. It's so cool. Knowledge empowers us to not just fall victim to marketing. Now, not all marketing is bad, but when you hear about products that are making big claims about how you don't have to do anything else but take this product, you should know that that is not founded in good quality science or even good long-term health, because long-term health comes from you, your personal responsibility for your choices on a regular basis. There are some really great products out there, but what is so much better than just buying products is to recognize that every choice that you make is actually going to contribute to your vitality and raise your quality of life, or potentially take away from it. And the more you understand this, the more easy it becomes to make better choices. So after teaching for 20 years, I've gotten a ton of good feedback from my students who make small changes and see that their life is better. Their quality of life goes up. And then they make those changes for their family, or they educate their family and their communities. And this is how change happens, like ripples in a pond. One person makes better choices, and then we inspire and empower each other to make better choices. This is the foundation of all of the Sage Country Herbs online learning platform. So far, we have 3 classes and so many more in the works for you. Understanding blood sugar. It makes a huge difference in the quality of the foods that you choose on a daily basis and in your energy level and how you sleep. Common nutrient deficiencies. It's amazing how many symptoms come from just not actually filling up your nutritional bucket. And once you start doing that, you realize that you don't have as many symptoms. Your quality of life goes up. And finally, we have Eat Your Weeds, empowering everybody to recognize that we are all surrounded with good quality nutrition if we just know how to identify it and use it responsibly. Then go and share this information. Share it with your families, share it with your friends. Sage Country Herbs is all about empowering people through education to raise their quality of life. We've done it in my family. We've seen over 2,000 students with great feedback, and I hope you join us too.